Today we're going to do the Zen Color, color by numbers game. The picture you see is the one we're going to color. Let's load that little guy. There's some different things we can color. Turn the volume up a little bit. We got picked out one here with the teapot and the plant. Pick the numbers. Go find the number down here. Click on it and it highlights it for you. There's another one. See how it highlights the where you got a color in, and then you just go click on it and it colors it in. You can search around try to find all that color, or you can just pick the numbers right around you and go find it. Sometimes it's a lot easier to stay in one area and color that one area in, but you do what you want. The teapot. Looks like a bonsai tree, doesn't it? I like how it highlights the place to color for you. Now you can enlarge, zoom in and zoom out just like you do on your phone for your photographs. Just use your thumb and finger and expand it or shrink it down, whichever. Some of these spots you have to color are pretty small. You'll have to zoom in. Hey, y'all leave me a comment, let me know where you're watching from, alright? Just like to know the city, state. If you're not in the U.S., then city, country. No personal info, please. Just like to know where people are watching from. Go check out the Color by Numbers playlist. I got more of these up there, even by different companies. More coming too. Stay with me, these take a while to color all these in. Just click on the spot where the blue hash marks are and it'll fill it in. Number 8, all right. Might not want to try using your finger to do this. My fingers are pretty big, so I use a stylus pen. Of course, if you want to use your fingers, that's up to you. My hands are like my mouth. It's pretty big. Are y'all coloring any of these in? Do you have a favorite subject? Because you can change subjects up here before you open one to color it in. Let me know what your favorite subject is. I like scenes of houses and animals and things like that. Do you have another coloring game that you're using? Let me know. Maybe I haven't tried it. I'll go check it out. When you finish all of one color, it goes away down here in the circle. See that went away? 25 went away. 26 went away. Kind of tells you you're through with that color. These are a good way to pass the time of day. You're waiting on something or waiting on dinner or whatever. Open one of these Zen Colors and pick you one and color it in. Color by numbers. When I was a kid, these color by numbers were oils and paintbrushes, and you had to paint them like that. A lot of times I made a mess with them too. Got paint on everything. I like that bonsai tree. I've got one here we've had for, golly, probably 10 years. It's not as nice looking as that one. I need to have trimmed it up some, but I haven't been. Went away, didn't it? Finished it. Zoomed in a little bit. A lot of these real small areas. Kind of a gray teapot, isn't it? With flowers on it. There's some more. I like how the number goes away when you finish coloring that whole number. There's a lot more. Look at the blues there. Be careful up there. There's a light bulb. It'll give you a hint. You may have to watch a video first, but you can't find a color, it'll help you. That thing next to the light bulb, I think if you click on it, it sends you back to the home screen. You'll have to come back into the one you're coloring. Lots of flowers here on the little tree, bonsai tree. Some very small spots to color too. See, there's a couple right there, those flower petals. Uh-oh, I hit that thing that sent me back to the home screen, so we'll come back in and start again. It saves all the stuff you've colored, but you have to come back in and open it again. We're moving right along. Oh, there's a lot of them right there. Number 13s. Did any of you use those paint by numbers back when it was actually paints? Leave me a comment, let me know. Did you make as big a mess as I did when I was a kid? Zoom in and out. I do that a lot. Find the ones to color in. Look at there. Small little spots. Just touch them with your stylus pen or your pen, your finger, whatever you're using, and it'll color that color in for you. You can go back down there and pick another color. 8s. There's one. It went away, so I finished 8s. What is that right there? 7? Yeah, it went away. See how small those little spots are? They hide them from you and you have to go find them. Sometimes you get to the very end and you got 1 or 2 little colors left. Click on that light bulb up there and it'll help you find them. Of course, you may have to watch a video, but they're usually real small little areas. What is this one? 29. Or is that 39? It's 39, wasn't it? Yeah. 36. There's 29 and 30. Got those little spots. All right. I think this is probably going to be the only one we color on this video because it takes a long time. So y'all go check out my playlist. Color by numbers. Could be paint by numbers, either one. I have a lot more up there and more coming. Also, once again, leave me a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Just remember, city, state. If you're in the U.S., you're not in the U.S., city, country. I don't want any personal info. What is that one? 62. See how I zoomed in on it? $23. Got all the 23s. What is that one? 24. Got all the 24s. What is that color? Is there a color in there? There it is, 63. Got some more of those little spots to go, don't we? Click on your number in the circle and go find where it's highlighted, right there. Zoom in on that and see what the numbers are. They're pretty small in those spots. 51. Got all them. 60. You move your screen around by just putting your finger on it or your highlighter, your pen, and move it around. 41. You'll do a lot of zooming in and out, so. See, some of these are pretty small spots. You can't see the numbers till you zoom in. $48. We're getting pretty close. 4 numbers left. We just have to find them. They must be very small. Probably right in there is one. 32. Got it. 3 numbers left. Right there around the rim. What's the number? Where's the number? 22. There's 1, 9. 2 little spots. Now we're down to 3 numbers. I think we are anyway. What is that one? 36. I got that one, all them. Yeah, we got a couple of small spots we gotta. Yeah, we're almost done now. We find those small spots. 67, there's one of them. 11. Where's number 11? I hit the light bulb. Go find it. Right there it is. Got it all. All right, there's the picture. Colors it all in for you right there at the end, see? I got a lot more of these. Go check them out in the playlist. Color by numbers or paint by numbers, either one. I think it's time to call it a day. We saved that photo. You can save it to your phone. Hey, we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss any. Got a lot more of these up there. Go check out the playlist and leave us a comment. Tell us what you think, what you want to see. And check out the description below for the links to Amazon. You'll find a lot of things that we make videos on. Links there. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you next time.